Seahorse, unlocking nature's curious secret. We would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to a thorough examination of the fascinating world of seahorses, where we will go on an enthralling trip to figure out the secrets that surround these lovely creatures. Throughout the course of this exhaustive research project, we delve into the intricacies of seahorse biology, behavior, ecology, and life cycle. Our goal is to shed light on the incredible adaptations that seahorses have developed and the important role that they play in marine environments. The unusual look of seahorses, which are members of the family Syngnathidae, is distinguished by their heads that resemble horses, their snouts that are elongated, and their tails that are short and prehensile. Unlike the majority of fish species, they do not have scales but rather have a series of bony plates that enclose their bodies. This gives them a distinctive armored structure that sets them apart from other fish species. The capacity of seahorses to alter their color to fit their environment is one of the most fascinating characteristics of these animals. This ability allows them to effectively conceal themselves from prospective predators. Their eyes, which are able to move independently, enable them to search their surroundings for potential prey while also keeping a watchful eye out for potential dangers. The unusual mode of locomotion that seahorses use is referred to as fluttering, and it involves the seahorse propelling itself through the water by making rapid motions of its dorsal fins. They are able to navigate their habitat with pinpoint accuracy thanks to their slow and deliberate pace, which is one of the reasons why they are so well adapted to their environment. One of the most common places to find seahorses is in shallow coastal waters, where they can be found living in seagrass beds, coral reefs, and mangrove forests. It is common for them to seek safety within structures such as coral branches, seagrass blades, or mangrove roots, where they can use their prehensile tails to secure themselves in place. Seahorses are known for their monogamous mating habit, which results in the formation of long-term pair connections that can stretch throughout numerous breeding seasons. During the courtship process, males engage in elaborate displays to attract females. These displays may include dancing, changing colors, and swimming in synchronization with one another. Following the formation of a sexual connection between two individuals, the female will place her eggs in a specialized pouch located on the belly of the male. These eggs will then be fertilized and incubated until they hatch. During the extraordinary process of pregnancy that male seahorses go through, the pouch serves as a secure home for the embryos that are forming inside of it. Seahorses are carnivorous marine predators that predominantly consume small crustaceans like shrimp, copepods, and amphipods as their primary source of nutrition. They have jaws that are specifically designed for sucking in prey, and they use a feeding method that involves fast striking and suction in order to grab creatures that are difficult to catch. Although seahorses have a voracious appetite, they are not particularly effective hunters since they require a significant amount of prey in order to satisfy their energy requirements. As a result of their small mouths and the absence of teeth, they are unable to ingest larger prey items, which forces them to rely on species that are smaller and more abundant. The first stage of a seahorse's life cycle is called courtship, and it is at this time both male and female seahorses engage in elaborate displays in order to attract potential mates. After a couple has come together and formed a relationship, the female will transfer her eggs to the pouch of the male. The eggs will then be fertilized and nurtured for a length of time ranging from 2 to 4 weeks. During pregnancy, male seahorses go through a dramatic transformation, with the pouch providing a nutrient-rich environment for the embryos that are forming inside of it. Following the completion of the gestation period, the male seahorse gives birth to miniature seahorses that are completely grown and capable of hunting for prey. These newborn seahorses are immediately independent. There is a high level of parental care displayed by seahorses, with both males and females taking an active role in the process of rearing their young. It is possible for males of certain species to bear numerous pregnancies during the duration of a breeding season, thereby making a large investment in the survival of their offspring. In the marine ecosystems that they inhabit, seahorses serve a crucial function as both predators and prey in their different food webs. This makes them an essential component of the ecosystems. They are frequently referred to as indicator species, and the existence or absence of these species serves as an indicator of the conditions of the environment in which they live. There are a number of factors that threaten the existence of seahorses, including the degradation of their habitat, excessive fishing, and the illegal traffic in wildlife. Seahorses are particularly important to the environment. Because of their low reproduction rate and the specific environmental requirements they have, they are especially susceptible to disturbances caused by human activity. Efforts are now being made to conserve seahorses and the environments in which they live. These efforts include the creation of marine protected areas, the implementation of habitat restoration programs, and the implementation of rules regarding the trading of seahorses for the purpose of traditional medicine and the aquarium industry. Through the dissemination of information regarding the significance of seahorses and the promotion of fishing methods that are environmentally responsible, we may contribute to the preservation of these fascinating species and the habitats that they inhabit for the long term. For millennia, seahorses have been able to catch the imagination of humans, and they continue to retain major cultural meaning in a variety of communities all over the world. In many societies, seahorses are seen as symbols of good fortune, power, and protection, and as a result, they have been the subject of stories, folklore, and artistic depictions. Seahorses are considered to possess medicinal characteristics and are used to cure a number of maladies in traditional Chinese medicine. However, the usage of seahorses is contentious due to worries about the animal's welfare and the sustainability of the practice. Seahorses are frequently portrayed as symbols of elegance, beauty, and resilience in works of art and literature. This is because seahorses have the ability to captivate the imaginations of both painters and authors. In conclusion, seahorses are remarkable creatures that possess a wide variety of behaviors and adaptations that enable them to flourish in the various maritime settings that they inhabit. There is a positive impact on the health and diversity of marine ecosystems all over the world as a result of their distinctive biological characteristics, behavioral patterns, and ecological responsibilities. We are able to work together to conserve and safeguard these fascinating fish for the enjoyment of future generations if we have a grasp of and appreciation for the complexities of seahorse biology and ecology. Step into the wondrous world of the seahorse, where magic meets reality in the depths of our oceans. As we embark on this journey, let us marvel at the marvels of nature and contemplate the delicate balance of life beneath the waves. Join us in exploring the captivating world of seahorses and uncovering the wonders of these enchanting creatures. Together, let's delve into their fascinating biology, intricate behaviors, and vital ecological roles. By understanding and appreciating the uniqueness of seahorses, we can work towards conserving their habitats and ensuring their survival for generations to come. If you enjoyed learning about seahorses and want to stay updated on more intriguing insights into marine life, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support allows us to continue sharing knowledge about the incredible diversity of our oceans and the importance of conservation efforts. Likewise, if you found this video informative and engaging, we encourage you to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. By spreading awareness about the beauty and significance of seahorses, we can inspire others to join us in protecting these extraordinary creatures and the fragile ecosystems they call home. Together, let's make a positive impact on the preservation of marine life and contribute to creating a healthier planet for all living beings. Subscribe, like, and share the video today to be part of the movement towards a sustainable future for seahorses in our oceans.